Welcome to Divorce Planners, where we are going to take you state by state and help you understand the self-help in your state to begin the process of getting your own divorce finalized. I have 20 years experience within the family court industry, so this channel will also be educating the American people on the dynamics of that industry. Now, clearly, if you are looking to file your own divorce, you do not want to hire a professional that profits off of the hardship of your family using laws and statutes and rules that are created by them down at your local bar association. So on this channel, we are not attorneys and we do not give legal advice. We are here to guide people in the self-help process that your state provides to you in order to get a divorce. So let's get right to it. Welcome to Florida's DIY Your Own Divorce. We are not attorneys. We do not give legal advice. We are simply showing people where to go to find out how and if they can do a DIY divorce. So, we've gone to the Florida courts. We're going to click on the Florida courts. Now, some states, from the state website, you get the newest documentation. Some states, you need to go to your county to get that documentation. I am doing these DIYs from the state website. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to self-help information, and we're going to go down to family law forms. All right, here we are. So this is your guideline to help you direct through the court system. They are going to help you walk through this. Self-help cannot provide legal interpretations or advice, which is also true of divorce planners. So what we will do here is a basic instruction. This is a step-by-step instruction form. So what we need to do here is read this form, general instructions. I would download a PDF of this. Now there you have your instructions with amendments, procedures. This is going to just start to give you definitions of things. This document you cannot click on, which you can in some states, to get all the information you need. So here is the instructions on how this is going to happen for you in your case. Each form provides a blank with instructions on how to fill it out. So 1, the clerk cannot tell you the number of your judicial circuit. So you will need to type or print it here. Type or print your county name on line 2. So this is going to really help you through the process of getting things done here. All right, so there are your instructions. Determining the forms you need. So as you read through your instructions, which I would print out and read through, then I would start determining which forms you need. And then you complete your forms and file them in the appropriate county. So let's see if we can get to the family law section of instructions. So here are the forms you will be using based on reading through the instructions. This is notice of limited appearance. Usually limited appearance is when an attorney comes in at the end. A lot of this is going to be just attorney stuff. You are not going to necessarily need all of the documents that they are showing. Just be aware of that. When you are doing self-help, they are listing all the documents under that category that you can file self-help. Here you've got, I would suggest downloading these in Word, because then you can put the information in the document on the computer. It's typed, it's clean, and it looks good for the court. So you have a marriage with minor children. Without children, so those you'll be looking for the ones that apply to you here. That is the one you will do. Then you will come down here. So this is your financial affidavit. You will need to do a financial affidavit. As you're going through it, it's fairly self-explanatory. All right, so here are your instructions, which they are making sure that you have your instructions at every turn. This is what you will need to complete for the court. And you're just putting in your amounts into the document. So your monthly gross, go in here and put in your monthly gross. And clearly you can see how that starts to fill into the document. This will need to be done. I strongly suggest and you're just putting in your monthly workman comp, so you can look at any paycheck stub you have and just go into that monthly, the end of the month for that month, and then you're going to have all those numbers. It's pretty easy to find. If you struggle with this, I would suggest contacting an accountant, maybe bringing the information in to an accountant. So these are the documents you'll need to fill out according to your instruction packet. And you only go to the documents that they are requiring from you. Do not go on to any other documents. Give the ones the court is requesting from you. If you need more documents, in my state, the clerk of the court lets you know that. So there you have it. A quick run through on how to work the Florida court website to get the information you need to DIY your own divorce. We wish you luck. And again, if you have legal questions, you need to make a list of those questions and consult an attorney.